Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat 2024. So let's go to open the Adobe Acrobat, then open the PDF you want to make hyperlink. Okay, now you have to click on this tools option, this one. You can see here, right? The cursor, tools, click on this tools, and then you'll find here edit PDF. Click on open edit PDF. Now you'll find here this link option on top. Click on link and choose the first option, add edit web or document link. Click on this and now choose the sentence you want to hyperlink, like this. I want this sentence to be hyperlink. So I'm just, make sure you don't need to do anything. Visible rectangle, highlight status style should be none, and line should be thin, and make sure link action should be open a web page. Okay, now click on next. Now you have to put here the URL or the website URL. Now if you click on OK, now if you click on this hyperlink, it will take you to that website I'm showing you. Clicking on close, and now if you click on this portion, and it will take you to this website what you have given the URL before. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.